Alright, so today we are going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of blazers, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to Wants and Needs by Drake, and Lil Baby song just came out. It's so fire. Go listen to it. I'm sure you already have. And yeah, let's take a look at these shoes. Alright, so we do have the Readymade blazers here. I got the white pair for retail off of Sneakers app. And in case you guys don't know, Readymade is a Japanese brand, and the whole point of the brand is to really recycle material. So the box is supposed to represent like a trash can, and that's like basically the design behind it. And yeah, let me just spin it around for you guys because I really like the box. It's really cool. I like the graffiti on the back. Really cool box. And I'm not gonna lie, when I first took it out of the Just Do It box or whatever, I thought the box was like messed up. Not even gonna lie, but it does look cool, so I like it. I got a size 9. I always go true to size on blazers. Retail is $160. I paid around $175 after tax and shipping, which isn't too bad. And yeah, let's just take these out. The paper is supposed to represent garbage, so that's what it is. And yeah, let's just take these out, man. I don't know how I feel about them. Comes with extra laces. Like, I like them, but I don't know what I can wear them with, or if I can even like pull it off, you know? Because just look at the shoe, man. Obviously it's really nice, but it's this part up here that I don't know what I could wear with, because it's camo. I don't really wear camo. I know some people can rock it, but I don't know, I just can't. Let me spin the shoes around for you guys. These are really cool, I'm not gonna lie though. You can see that Readymade logo, supposed to be in like the recycled logo. That's why like the swooshes are like that. Really cool design. Let me show you guys the shoe all by itself. I don't know why my laces are like that. Here, let me put this back in. Really cool shoe. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe. It does come with extra laces, the orange, so you know it can match with like this little extra lace part. And yeah, let's just get into it. This part right here you can move back. It's supposed to be like a nice leather material. Really nice. I really like it. And again, it's this camo part that up here that's like, it's hard to wear. I don't really know what I'm gonna wear with it just because of this part. That's the only part I'm like kind of iffy on, but the rest of the shoe is really nice. Looking at it from the top, you can see it has like that off-white kind of feel right here with the exposed foam. Really cool touch. And on the tongue, you can see Nike Readymade. And the laces right here. Actually comes with 4 laces technically. It comes with these black laces right here that goes up to this, like, I don't know what this is, maybe like tape or like a rubber material, not sure, but they're connected to these other orange laces. And you also have like these gray laces right here. And something I didn't know actually until right now is that this is actually like a suede material. It's really nice, really soft. I like it. And you probably one of like the biggest things about the shoe that's like crazy is, well, obviously the laces, but the swoosh as well. Like, it's not connected at the bottom right here. You can see it's not stitched in, so it's supposed to move. And right here it's supposed to move as well, so that's pretty cool. And the other big thing about this shoe is the midsole. Not sure what like the right word would be, but it's like all bumpy and stuff. It looks pretty cool. I'm not sure why it's like that, to be honest, but cool design. And as you saw from the bottom, it's supposed to be recycled material, so that's what it is. Overall, I really like this shoe. It's just really hard to wear, so I don't know what I'm gonna wear with it. Again, go true to size with Nike blazers. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about these shoes. Are you guys gonna pick these up for resale? They do go for around $350-ish, which isn't terrible. I could see them going up in the future. The black pair is going for like $400, $450. So I don't know how these are gonna do in the future. I would say they're gonna be around the same price as the black pair, but I'm not sure. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and let's take a look at these on feet.